In our woodlands, there's a mysterious relationship going on, one that we're here to investigate. So a lichen is a symbiotic relationship between a fungus and any photosynthesizing organism, known as a photobiont. In case of lichens, that photobiont might either be an algae or a cyanobacteria, or sometimes you might even find both in there. So it's clear what the fungus gets out of the relationship. It's able to sap energy from the photobiont and take advantage of that photosynthetic capacity to use the energy for itself. However, it's not that clear what the algae or the other photobiont partner is getting out of it. My guess is that it's able to extend its range by inhabiting the lichen body. It's not able to survive as far from the sea as it would normally outside of that partnership. Sorry, I'm going to stop doing that. When you're first starting to learn how to identify lichens, the first thing you have to know is there are three main types. You've got your crustose lichens, your foliose lichens, and your fruticose lichens. Let's have a closer look. So you know you have a crustose lichen when you can't remove the lichen from its substrate without completely destroying it. A foliose lichen is defined by having two distinct sides. It's got this leafy kind of structure. They also attach to their substrate via structures called rhizines or other structures called hapters. Do you think I need to describe what a substrate is?
Nah.
Your foliose lichens are a little bit different. And as you can see, they all attach to the substrate via one point called a holdfast. They also don't have the two distinct sides. You can see this usnea here has a rounded kind of body. So here we have Flavoparmelia caperata, a beautiful foliose lichen that's very common in UK woodlands. It grows on bark, which means we call it a corticulous lichen. And you can easily identify it by its bright luminescent green colour. So here we have another really common lichen called Parmatrema perlatum. Now it's similar to the last one, but you'll see it's really smooth on the middle, and then as you make your way to the end of the lobes, it's got these granular clumps, which we call ceridia. Now the ceridia is a vegetative propagule, which the lichen uses to reproduce asexually. Little bits of those lobes will fall off, and add a little bit of water, bish bash bosh, you've got yourself a new lichen. Now, if you get a chance to get up and close with this one, have a little look at the end of the lobes and you'll see some fine cilia pointing out. That way you know for sure that you've got Parmatrema perlatum. So there you have it, a short intro into what a lichen is. These fascinating little things really blur the boundary between what's an organism and what's an ecosystem. Within one lichen body, you might have 4 or 5 different organisms living in there. Your fungal partners, your algae, your cyanobacteria, and who knows what else. Not only that, they're amazing indicators of good quality habitat, clean air, and ancient woodland. If you're interested in more nature content, then why not check out our channel at Shake That Grass.